For most industrial businesses, energy is still one of the least controlled costs on the balance sheet. It rises over time, puts pressure on margins, and stays difficult to predict. But what if your roof could do more than just sit there? This is Anmol Industries in Thakurganj, Bihar. And this project wasn't built just to install solar. It was built to create long-run energy performance. Because in industrial solar, the real decision is not whether to go solar. It's whether you're buying a system or building an asset. For a business like Anmol, the objective was simple: reduce dependence on rising grid power and improve cost visibility over time. But that only happens when performance is designed in from day one. A lower quote may reduce upfront cost, but if design, execution, or maintenance quality slips, the long-run cost can be much higher. That's where many projects lose value, not at installation, but over time. That's the accountability gap. When a system gets delivered, but performance ownership gets lost. And over a 25-year asset life, small gaps compound fast. Safe Earth approached this differently. The project started with data, not assumptions. Site conditions, shadow behavior, layout optimization, and projected yield were all modeled before execution began. Using 3D simulation and P90/P95 projections, the system was engineered for performance visibility, not just installed capacity. Because every design decision matters: cable routing, structural integrity, layout precision, equipment quality. In industrial solar, yield is built in the details. The result is a system designed not just to generate power, but to generate confidence. This site is delivering a consistent yield of 1,400 to 1,600 units per kilowatt annually. It also offsets approximately 611 tons of CO2 each year. But from a business standpoint, the most meaningful outcome is this: a 20 to 30% reduction in monthly electricity overheads. Every unit generated on-site reduces dependence on higher cost grid power. That's where energy starts becoming more strategic. This is the shift Safe Earth is helping businesses make. From viewing solar as a project to managing it like a performance asset. Because the right rooftop is not idle infrastructure. It is one of the most underutilized assets in your business. If your facility has the space, the real question is not whether solar is possible. It's how well it can perform. Request a roof audit and see what your energy system could really deliver. Safe Earth. Rise green and thrive.